Hey guys, what's up? Right now, this is the aftermath of hurricane, what the fuck? Not hurricane, but this might be a quick video depending on the storage, who cares, but this is the aftermath of the winter storm. Kiana, whatever it's spelled. This road is so fucking tiny. But yeah. All this snow. Oh my gosh. Here, I don't mean to walk in this person's property like this, but that's how deep snow is. There's my leg, so it's up to here for length. You know, like look at this. You see this drift right here? It's up to my damn shoulder. So, Minnesota snow, guys, it's pretty insane. Like, look at the truck. See the snowdrift? It's bigger than the truck. The snow is bigger than almost the dumpsters. That's big as me. Look at this. Look at this lining. Yeah, I'll pause the video so I can get closer to this big drift. Alright, we're getting closer. That big drift I was going to show you, that's probably twice as my size. If I get up to it. I mean, since the snow, those drifts over there ain't as big because it's been melting. But look at this. Look at this drift. The snow drift. I feel bad for this church. Right here is a sidewalk. There's a sidewalk that goes into that drift straight to that little stop sign. Right, just straight in front of us. Look at that drift, guys. Holy crap. I feel so bad for this church. Like, damn. The aftermath of this storm was 500,000 people without power. Interstates closed because of the drift and snow. I should slow it. Look at that. And drifts up to this high when you plow it up like that. You can barely see the house. So, want to take a look at the park, guys? I'll get back to you. But look at this madness. It's basically a barrier. By the way, there's 2 hours delay for school, so that's a plus. Here, let me jump over this because this is a sidewalk, guys. This should be cleared right here. But town's still under emergency from the snow, so I'm climbing this up. The good thing the snow is hard compacted. Hey, look how tall this crap is. This is a sidewalk now, but look how big that snow is. It's up to my knees. Oh, it's so deep. Here's the funeral home where I get to see my uncle for the last time. Yeah, guys.